If you've ever wondered where all those homes for sale on sites like Zillow and Realtor.com come from, they come from the Multiple Listing Service, or the MLS. The MLS is where real estate agents and their brokerages put houses that they're listing for sale, so they're all in one place so they can share those listings with each other. And then sites like Zillow and Realtor.com pick them up from the MLS and put them on their sites. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get your house on the MLS as a for sale by owner without paying those high commission listing fees. So hiring a real estate agent to list your house for you is expensive. We have lots of videos here that show you what you can do to get your house ready for market and price right and everything, to do it on your own. But then if you actually want to put it on the MLS, which some people think is super important, and I tend to disagree, but if you're one of those ones that feels like you have to have it on there, there's a way to do that without hiring a listing agent. And that's by using what we call a flat fee service. And there's lots of them out there. There are companies that will put your house on the internet for one fee. And that fee can range anywhere from like $300 up to $1,000 and sometimes even more. And the price will depend on the service that you get, like how long you're going to list it on the MLS, how many pictures you want to put on there, if you want to have somebody help you fill out the paperwork. Some of them will give you flyers that you can print out. Some of them will even give you a sign to put in the yard. But there's lots of them out there. The original one, ForSaleByOwner.com, was the one that started the whole thing. But since then, since for sale by owners are becoming so popular, they're just popping up all over the place. You got like FSBO.com, FSBO.com. There's one called Houseo.com. There's one called FlatFeeGroup.com. And different ones will work in different states. Of course, some of them are licensed in all states. But if you just go Google it, Flat Fee Service or how to get my for sale buyer on the MLS, they'll pop up, and then a lot of them will already have your state in there if your location is turned on your computer. This is a great way to get your house on the MLS. You will get more attention, and it might help it to sell a little bit faster. But you definitely don't need to hire a real estate agent to price your house for you or to show you how to get it ready for market. I can show you how to do all that. Just subscribe to this channel, and I got lots of videos that'll teach you all those things you need to know that a listing agent would teach you. And then you can just hire a flat fee service company and get your house on the MLS and get it sold.